In French, we focus on the skills of listening, reading, writing, and speaking, and then we just kind of sprinkle in culture along the way. I would say we use a lot of authentic and relatable materials that focus a lot on communication. My goal is to get students up and moving around the classroom and speaking with a bunch of different partners, very interactive.
This class isn't really lecture-y. We do a lot of work with other peers and we do a lot of speaking, so it's very hands-on.
My favorite part about being in this class is just how everyone knows each other and it's not scary to talk or mess up in front of each other. And we always do something fun, we move around a lot and there's a lot of partner work involved.
You never know when you need French. French is one of the most largely spoken languages in the world. So maybe they're going to use it in their future career. Maybe they want to major or minor in college, even just for fun to travel to communicate with other people. I'm very proud of them when they can use the language in the real life setting, and proud of our program that it sets them up for success. I've heard prior students come back and say, wow, when I got to my college classroom, I was so prepared. I was well ahead of other students because Linn-Mar's program sets us up with the vocabulary, with the grammar, with the culture. They knew what to do in college, so it wasn't a surprise.